good-looking hunting dog to be on the Las Vegas Strip. Wow, Cromwell is empty. What the hell? Saturday night, they can't even... I hate the saxophone. I hate the saxophone as much as I hate pineapple pizza. Oh, I hate it. I'm not a big fan of the piano either. Okay, so we're going to find out where their money is really made. Well, I don't know what the relationship is with the property and Dre's, but Dre's is going to kick ass tonight. Is Dre's owned by the property, or is Dre's leased out for the space? I don't know. I don't know. I'm not going to make an opinion on that because I don't know. But they had a big line right now. I've come into a cul-de-sac. I might not be able to get out of here. Might need a tow truck. Whoa. Some sound. Whoa. Yeah, there's a lot of people in here. But they're all going to Dre's. Yeah, just about everybody in here is going to Dre's. You'd think it was a discount mega store. It's not. see what's out here. See if we got any Lamborghinis. If you're real cool, you call them Lambos. If you're super cool, you call them Guineas. Yeah, I used to have a Guinea, believe it or not. Then I went broke. That's a Porsche over there. That green vehicle is a Porsche. Can you believe that? Porsche making an SUV. So back in the day, it was a Tuesday. The line to get into Dre's would be all the way out here. Now it's really big tonight, don't get me wrong, but nothing like it used to be. Look at this. Nice. Now I don't know what that is. There's a Maserati behind it. It's a Corvette. That's a Mercedes. Yeah. That's flat. That's called flat neon green. If you want to order it, I can sell this to you right now because I'm a broker. I can sell anything in this lot. I have a contract with anyone in this lot. What's the T? Tiffany and Company. I thought it was for Tennessee. It's not the right color. Tiffany and Company. That's what he said. Well, look at this color. It's an Odyssey. Look at him tucked up. Expedition. Here's the registration. So bars like this you would think would be really happening with this crowd, but because they refuse to have live music, they're not doing it. You know what I'm saying? Here go the high limit. Done deal. $72. That should last you the rest of the year if you have a coupon book. Always get the coupon book. Sometimes it has buy one, get one free, dozen eggs. Oh, this guy. Yep. He just jumped off of the Cosmopolitan on the top floor. Uh-oh. He should have teamed up with this guy. So, in conclusion, not a lot of big winners in the big slot room. Well, that one guy, he was a winner. Look at the pimp. This pimp is dressed in a suit, so he's got their attention. He's got one person's attention. She's gonna dwindle. He's not gonna make this work. But she's gonna make a point of getting his number and giving it consideration later. But not tonight. Not tonight. Suddenly the Cromwell looks like it did in the early 2000s. Well, except with a lot more tattoos, which is kind of strange. Tattoos are picking up steam. It's incredible. I thought they were going away, and all of a sudden they're back. Okay, that's it for Cromwell. Who's it for what's out here? Don't you hate when you're waiting for the deuce and then there's another one right behind it? Come on, man. Spread them out. As you can see by that girl's hair, it's super windy out here, which is pretty normal. I hope that skirt doesn't blow up. You know what I'm saying? Vegas is not as crowded as it was last summer. I mean, look at that. It's not summer, but it's April the 12th. It should be slam-ass packed. I ordered it. All right, that's the end of Vanderpump. I want to say Vanderpump because that's what it's going to be in about, I don't know, 6 months or so. Not Cromwell.